Help support the companies that support our community. normally do a high gloss finish on a lot of the pieces I turn, but on this one I thought it would really make that inlay pop. So we've been doing some sinks and I've been using this epoxy, and you just mix it. It's a 1-to-1 mix, and it sets up in about 3 hours, and you can sand it and recoat it in about 3.5 to 4 hours depending on the temperature. But it's super easy to use. You just put it on with a brush and then hit it with some heat. I just wanted to, the reason I brought this down so small was because there was one side of it was a super punky, and I ended up filling it in with the Starbond, the super thin CA glue, but it was really bad, and I kind of wanted to get it away from the lip as much as I could there. There's a little teeny spot where it's punky on the lip, but I didn't want that too big, and that's why I kept bringing the size down on it. The inlays from Scott Grove, Easy Inlays, just beautiful. I had some little sample packets, so I kind of mixed the two colors together. It's kind of hard to see, but one of them's like more of a greenish, and then one's a blue, but I think it turned out really cool. I did want to thank everybody over at the Boise Woodcraft too. I want to thank everybody that came out. Thank you so much, guys. We had a fantastic time. We did a class, kind of something similar to this, but we opened up the sides a little bit more so you could see into it and turn it. When it's spinning, you can see where your tool's cutting. So it was a great time, and I want to thank you. It was so nice to meet you, Dave and Tim and Josh and everybody else. On our way back, we even got to stop by and see Jack, and he's a manager of a windmill farm up there, and he took us right up to the windmills to check them out. It was super cool. Yeah, just super great time. And if you're in the Boise area, that Woodcraft is just amazing, and the staff there is incredible. I would highly recommend it. I think we're gonna go back. They're doing an expo in September, so I think we're gonna go back over there for that expo. I did mention, I put the post of this up on Instagram. I thought it was apple because it was in the pile of free apple wood we got off of Craigslist, but it's not. It is maple, so I don't know how it got mixed in that pile. I really like the way it came out. It's got some burl in it, just a little bit of quilting and the spalting and all of it together, and then that inlay just really pops. There we go. I'm not going to put epoxy on the bottom yet. I don't have a way to mix up just a teeny little amount. So I have another sink to finish. So when I do that, I will finish putting epoxy on the bottom. But I'm really happy with how it came out. You can see right through it. So I used the medium CA glue to bond all that in there, and just some painter's tape. The epoxy is, like I said, it's super easy to use, and it's just nice even finish. So don't normally do the high gloss, but I think it really made that pop. All right, again, we're going to be in Las Vegas the 3rd and 4th for the Artisan Summit. I'll put a link down below in the description to everything I used in the video and to the Artisan Summit. So if you're in the area and you want to help market your art, it would be a great event to attend, and it's being put on by Stoneco. So hope to see you there. All right, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe and like button, and we'll see you next time.